Money.co.uk loan comparison tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so let's dive straight in. The Money.co.uk loan comparison tool is a comprehensive online platform designed to help borrowers compare a variety of loan products, including personal loans, car loans, home loans, and credit cards. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to make an informed decision about borrowing, whether you're a first-time borrower or refinancing an existing loan. By comparing loans from multiple lenders in one place, it helps you save both time and money. One of the standout features of Money.co.uk is its easy-to-use comparison engine. After entering some basic information, such as the loan amount, repayment period, and your credit score, the tool presents you with a range of loan offers tailored to your financial profile. You'll see key details like interest rates, monthly repayments, and any associated fees, making it easy to assess your options. Additionally, the platform allows you to filter results based on your preferences, such as the lowest APR or the most flexible repayment terms. This way, you can customize your search to find exactly what suits your needs. Another benefit is that Money.co.uk offers a soft credit check, meaning using the tool won't affect your credit score. However, while the tool is comprehensive, there are a few limitations. While Money.co.uk covers a wide range of loans, it may not include every possible lender, especially more niche loan products. Also, while it provides a list of loan options, approval depends on the individual lender's criteria, including your credit score and overall financial health. Some users have also mentioned receiving follow-up emails or calls from lenders after using the tool, which could be an inconvenience for those who prefer privacy. Overall, the Money.co.uk loan comparison tool is an excellent resource for anyone looking to compare loan options quickly and easily. With its clear interface, detailed loan information, and free service, it's a reliable way to find competitive loan deals. Check out the links in the description to start comparing loans today.